Dear customers, welcome to our Woodpecker showroom. We craft custom-made furniture for more than 25 years and using only high-quality materials. Let's see our production.
Woodpecker Carpentry. We are engaged in interior design projects for private and commercial clients. Residential villas and condos, as well as for hotels, residential luxury, restaurants, office buildings, showrooms for developers, and many more. Woodpecker Carpentries is in business for over 20 years, since 1996. We have our own factory and production line where a well-qualified and experienced team of carpenters and furniture design specialists work. Our customers benefit greatly from our design and production teams being under the same roof, because it helps to close the gap between these two departments. We are always looking for know-how techniques and new ways of improving the quality of our products. In order to get an idea of what we can do for you, come to visit our showroom. You will see some examples of our unique custom-made furniture, bedroom, living room, and built-in kitchens, and talk with our manager about the furniture or the entire interior of your dreams. For further inquiries, questions, and updates on your order, please contact us.